quick tutorial, I will show you Illustrator welcome screen and how it's works. So let's jump on it. Here is Adobe Illustrator and it is welcome screen. Now you can see here is the menu bar, file, edit. These are not working as we do not create any canvas yet or artwork yet. Here is object, menu bar, type. All the menu bar you can see from here. Now in the welcome screen, say welcome to Illustrator. Start a new file first. Here Illustrator prompts us few ready-made templates such that if you want to create a letter size artwork, then you can click here. So if I click here, you see Illustrator automatically create a desired artwork for us. Then postcard, common, this is mobile version and this is TV and film version. And if we click here more presets, then Illustrator will pop up this dialog box to create any canvas or artboard or artwork. All are ready-made. This is mobile version. If we saved any template, then it will be pop up here. And this is mobile, this is web template, this is print template, this is film and video template, and this is art and Illustrator template. Now we can create any canvas from here, or we can just click here, then our past recent artwork will be open from here. Also new file, the same dialog box will be open for us and we can create any canvas from it. And also in the file menu there is new, the same dialog box open again and we can create any canvas or artwork from here. So there is also few, if we open then dialog box, we will able to open our past Illustrator file. If we click here open recent file, then our past work is like here recent file. And if we open here, it is also open able to, we will else also able to open our past Illustrator file. So I hope this will help to understand you the Illustrator welcome screen. If so, you can please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.